Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Python version. Alright, so this is something I cannot find any information on Google. At least not any information relevant to what I'm going to do. So I recently just upgraded from Python 3.7 to 3.8 because for my Python virtual environments, they are linked to Python 3.7 and want to upgrade to Python 3.8. Took me a while to finally figure out how to upgrade my Python version properly for the virtual environments. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to python.org and you want to download the version that you want to use. And for me, I download the Python 3.85 version. And once you download the executable file, you want to go to add and remove. You want to remove the earlier version of Python software. And right now I already removed the 3.7 version. That leaves me with just 3.8. And if I launch my command prompt, here, let me open a new one. Oops. So if I check my Python version, right now it's set to 3.85, which is the version I want to upgrade. And to upgrade your Python virtual environment Python version, so here let me open my virtual environment. And just give it a second. Alright, so you're going to get this message, no Python interpreter is select. Instead of select Python interpreter, I will go back to my command prompt. And here I'm going to type Python -m VMV. So VMV stands for virtual environment. I want to upgrade the virtual environment to Python 3.8 from Python 3.7, followed by the Python virtual environment folder path. So I'll grab the folder path and enter. Now this command is going to basically go into the Python virtual environment folder and look for the interpreter that it's using. And it's going to upgrade the interpreter to the one that I'm currently using for my main environment. So in this case will be 3.85. Now let me close my VS Code. Now if I launch my VS Code again, here in the status bar, I can see my virtual environment version is now upgraded to 3.85. Alright, so this is everything I want to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.